the two kind of towering comedic silent film stars. So with Chaplin, you kind of watch and you feel a lot as well as laugh a lot. And Buster Keaton was kind of an insane acrobatic daredevil who you watch his movies and you're just terrified for this man because he's, you know, jumping off trains, falling off buildings, ladders. At least in America, in smaller cities, there would be a pianist in every theater. And then in the bigger cities like New York, Los Angeles, you'd have maybe a full 16 or 32-piece orchestra playing music that was composed not for any specific silent film, but with just titles like Suspense or Train Chase or Burglary or Love, you know. And then the musicians at the theater would have a day or two when the new films were coming in to collage this score together. Super influenced by like Fats Waller, Jelly Roll Morton, Scott Joplin. And in the Charlie Chaplin one, I'm using their music to put together the whole score. But for the Buster Keaton one, I'm taking their influence and then composing my own score for it. It's about 30% improv, 70% composed. And I just tried to kind of incorporate fun swing jazz, you know. They're both just super hilarious, light, fun things. The 1 week is Buster Keaton has just been married and he and his newlywed wife have been gifted a build your own house kit as a wedding present. And so it's, you know, how well do you think that's gonna go? And The Immigrant is Charlie Chaplin coming to America on a very rocky boat, and more hijinks ensue.